train insane or remain the same. Ha! What's up, everybody? Coach BJ coming at you with another video. As you can see, I got my Dragon Ball Z Super Saiyan armor on, just like my boy Vegeta did. This is not Vegeta. This is Android 19. That is Vegeta, the Prince of all Saiyans. So I'm rocking the same armor. And I'm going to show you guys a special move for today. So get ready for it because you're in store for a big treat. So let's get ready for it. Big Bang Attack. Now this is by far one of my favorite leg workouts. It's a side-to-side alternating lunge. And as you see, you push into the floor, and as you push, you go into the other side. You keep your toes facing forward, and you want to keep your chest up as much as you can without bending over. This is all leg strength. You're working your hamstrings, your quads, and your glutes. You want to get those nice toned legs? Do the side-to-side alternating lunges. Now the beauty of doing the side-to-side alternating lunges is that you're really strengthening your quads, your hamstrings, and your gluteus maximus, aka the butt, which is what I get a lot of messages about from women, always asking me, how can I get a better butt? How can I shape my legs and tone them up really nice? This workout is going to do that for you because you're targeting about 3 muscle groups at least. You're strengthening your quads, your hamstrings, and your butt. When you're stepping side to side, you're not focusing on anything on the upper body at all. It's all legs. When you step, you literally have to use all leg strength and push back up and then go back to the other side and do the same thing. Now, when you go to one side and go back to the other, that's considered 1 rep. So essentially you're doing 20 reps for 10 reps. 1 equals 1. 2 equals 2, and so on and so forth. If you do 3 sets of these workouts, you're gonna start to shape some nice legs and a nice butt that you can be proud of. Thanks again for watching another fitness tutorial with Coach BJ. I hope you were able to get something out of it. If there's a move that you would like to see personally yourself, please comment down below with that request, or you can always shoot me a personal message to let me know if there's a specific move that you would like to see for yourself. Also, if you're looking for one-on-one coaching with me or training, please feel free to shoot me a message. I will meet you at your starting point and we will run this race together. Whatever your goals are, whatever the goals that you want to achieve, we're going to go ahead and form a plan that's specific for your needs, and we'll make that happen for you. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a like and share it so that more people can see it that possibly need help with the fitness journey, just so I can spread the gift of health and fitness to others. And that way, if you share it, you're actually doing a justice to others that possibly don't know where to start and don't know what coach to reach out to. I'll be more than happy to coach whoever is looking for coaching and meet you at your starting point, and we'll run this race together. Thank you so much for watching this. God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next post. Have a good day. Peace out.